Greetings from the Sunshine State. Today I'll be doing yet another experiment. I love experimenting and seeing how different paints react. This is a continuation of my cloud pour experiments with the idea of using gloss paint as a base or glossy paint and mainly opaque colors for the pour, and then trying different whites. In my last 3 experiments I used only matte white paints. This time I'm using colors that I don't normally use in a cloud pour. Normally I use the Artist Loft Soft Body White. This time I'm using Liquitex Basics Titanium White and FolkArt Pure Titanium White and Artist Loft Metallic White. So I mixed those up, 2 parts Floetrol, 1 part paint, and I'd say half the part of the paint with satin enamels. And so my colors today, as I mentioned, they're opaque, mostly opaque. They're left over from the previous experiments. So I'm using the Artist Loft Blue Soft Body, the Liquitex Bright Aqua Green, Artist Loft Cobalt, Metallic Cobalt Blue, and a chalk paint. This is matte, so it's the Seafoam ArtMinds chalk paint. And then for my base, I'm going bold. I'm using this paint that I had on the shelf. I'm not sure why I bought it. It must have been marked way down. But it's Rustoleum Gloss Sun Yellow. So I mixed that up with Floetrol and added a little bit, like a tablespoon of satin enamels for the base. So we'll see what this concoction comes up with. I'll start with my glossy yellow, sun yellow base. I'm going to start with the Artist Loft Cobalt Blue. And then a Liquitex Bright Aqua Green. And for this first experiment, I'm using the Liquitex Titanium White for my white, mixed with satin enamels. Next is the Seafoam chalk paint, mixed with a little bit of satin enamels and Floetrol. And then there's the Artist Loft Blue Soft Body. I think I'm just going to do 1 layer, because in the last experiment I just had too much paint. I'm just going to top it off with some more of the Liquitex white. I'm just making sure I had the right one. I marked it with an L for Liquitex. Let's see what happens. Just going to do a straight pour. I may jiggle. Let's see. surface. See how it glides over the glossy paint? It doesn't roll over itself. Trying to bring the weight of the paint back to the middle, just to balance it all. Over the corners, bring it back. Curious whether any of the yellow will pop up from underneath. This is pretty. Let's see if I can stretch things a little bit. See some yellow in the corners, so I'll just touch I'm putting the same color paint over the corners that just have yellow. I'm getting some blue. See if we can cover those. If you are enjoying this video, please like and subscribe below. here's another triptych. This is the first one I did using the Liquitex titanium white with satin enamel. There's some fingerlings. Now this one I was just enthralled with while I was tilting, and then I over tilted. I was just mesmerized by it all. There was that one spot I didn't like that I wanted to get off, but as I was tilting I saw all these dark cells. I don't know if you can see them. They were cobalt blue. The cobalt blue doesn't show up on the camera, but they were very deep. It showed a lot of depth, and then all these gorgeous fronds. So I was impressed with this one. This is the FolkArt Pure titanium white, so I'll have to try that again on a larger canvas. So that was mixed with the Floetrol and satin enamels. And this one I used Artist Loft metallic white, and this is opaque, an opaque color. So some very beautiful effects with this one as well. So it looks like a lagoon. And again, those beautiful fronds that we saw in the second example. And I love the negative space as well. Contrasts with the fronds. So these three will make a nice triptych. So let me know your favorite in the comment section below. I'll show you tomorrow when it's drier how they look. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe below.